Please join me in recognizing Project Leader of Hamon ng Himig, Professor Nathan Manuntin. We would also like to present the Certificate of Appreciation to our Assistant Project Leader, Ms. Arian Domingo. Next is awarding certificates for our specific instrumental and vocal programs. As we call out the program, may we request the facilitators. Please come forward. Mr. Daniel Morabe. Mr. Daniel Morabe facilitated the face-to-face classes here at the Pilipinas as well as our local audience. Next is Miss Marley Mendoza. Facilitated the face-to-face classes at the Los Baños alongside online and hybrid classes. Next is Mr. Micah Sanchez. Facilitated the face-to-face classes at UP Manila and online classes. Okay, next is Mr. RJ Balyedos. Compress po. Thank you. Compress na yan. Thank you. Next is for our ukulele program. Professor Sulaiman Hamid Salami is not around, so Professor Nathan Manuntin will get his certificate. Up next, of course, is our brilliant voice choral singing program. May we call on Mr. Adrian John Oliva. Next is Mr. John Steven Verosa. Mr. Verosa facilitated the face-to-face classes at UP Manila. Next is Mr. Roy Jean Suarez. He facilitated the face-to-face classes at UP Los Baños. Last but not the least, let's honor the mentors who facilitated the Kalinga Instrument and Song and the Kulintang and Song classes. Let us all recognize Miss Teresa Montes. Compress mo, compress. Okay. Ayan. Tama. And last but not least, Maria Lourdes Cecilia Matute. Congratulations to all our student finishers and the profound thank to our brilliant facilitators for guiding our scholars para sa bayan on this wonderful musical journey. next part of the program, we call on and capture this memorable occasion and I invite all participants to have a quick photo opportunity. Last photo opportunity.